So this is the TC15 Plus. It's been designed to not only transfer your data from your USB memory stick, but also transfer video and audio from a HDMI connection. Yes, it has multiple connections, and also apparently, and I can't actually test this, apparently it can charge up your Mac. So if you've got a tablet or a MacBook Pro or something like that, this should be able to charge it up. I can't actually test it for that, but what I can test it for is the HDMI connection, the USB connection. We can actually use the USB Type-C connection for connecting to my phone, say for instance, and also we can connect this to the internet, and we are going to be testing this little device right now. First test was internet, and yeah, it does work. It's not the fastest in the world, but it does actually work. I had no issue with that whatsoever. Second test I done was plugging in two USB sticks and transferring the videos from both of them at the same time to my PC. Again, it works. Again, it's never going to be the fastest in the world, but it does work. Test number 3, phone to HDMI. This I thought worked perfectly. No issues with it whatsoever. It just worked. Plugging in my phone to see if it would charge it up. Again, it works. No issues. Like I said earlier, it's not the fastest transfers in the world, but it does work. Let me know in the comments whether you've got one of these and you finding it a lot better than the one I've got. I might just have a bad one, who knows? But let me know in the comments whether you've got one and how you're getting on with it. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.